Welcome back to everyone. In this video I will guide you how to connect it without internet on Motorola Moto G47. Let's start the video. If you want to fix this problem, so restart phone, just click and hold side power button and volume up button. Click on this restart icon. Again tap on this restart icon. You will see phone is restart. After restarting, enter phone pin. You will see your problem is solved. But if it not solved, if you want to fix this problem, go to app library. Here click on settings app. Now in setting, click on sound and vibration and click on do not disturb. If you want to fix this problem, so make sure turn off do not disturb. After turn off do not disturb, go back to home screen. You will see your problem is solved. But if it not solved, if you want to fix this problem, again click on settings app. Now in setting, scroll down and click on system and click on reset option. Click on reset network settings and click on reset setting. Enter phone pin. Click on this icon. You will see your problem is solved. So please subscribe for more new latest videos. Thanks for watching.